How to choose the best car accident lawyer. 𝐘𝐨𝐿 Leonard, Jane Haskins, Cassie Bodorf. 𝐘𝐨𝐿 Leonard, Jane Haskins, 𝐘𝐫. Trauma of a car crash can extend well beyond the event itself. The financial impact from serious injuries and the associated medical bills, possible lost income, and the damage to your vehicle can cause undue hardship for you and your family. You don't want the additional stress of trying to fight with insurance companies on your own to get compensated for your losses. An auto injury lawyer can be your advocate in the fight against insurance companies, helping to ensure you get fair compensation. The search for an experienced and trustworthy auto accident attorney can feel overwhelming after a serious accident, but it doesn't have to be. This guide will help you choose the best car accident lawyer to determine the full extent of your loss and deal with the auto insurers to recoup that loss. Tips for finding the best car accident lawyer. For a car accident, you'll need to find a personal injury lawyer, but not just the first car accident attorney you find online. You want someone experienced in dealing with auto insurance companies and car accident cases. Several lawyers in your area likely advertise their experience with auto accident injuries and claims, so knowing what to look for can help narrow the search for the best attorney for you. Look for lawyers with extensive experience. Some attorneys don't specialize in any one practice area of law, but rather handle everything from divorces to real estate transactions to wrongful death suits to personal injury claims. While these lawyers may handle all types of cases equally well, you're better off finding a lawyer or law office with years of experience specializing in personal injury cases, specifically auto injury cases. You want that experience to include a case or two that have ended up in a courtroom. Ideally, you'd have an attorney willing to go to court if necessary, not just looking to take the first settlement offer, but focused on the best possible outcome for you. Most car accident injury cases never go to trial, but if yours does, you don't want it to be the first one your attorney argues in court. Keep in mind that auto insurers have their own extensive expertise in settling claims brought against them by accident victims. Insurance adjusters typically look to settle a car accident claim for as little as possible, as quickly as possible. An experienced attorney will ensure you don't necessarily have to settle for whatever the insurance company is willing to give you. They'll be familiar with the insurance company's tactics and know how to best negotiate on your behalf. Research their track record. Choosing the right attorney requires research and a willingness to ask questions. First, go to your state bar association's website. There, you should be able to search for attorneys in your area who specialize in personal injury law. Begin a list of those you'd like to research further by writing down their contact information. Nowadays, just about every law firm or attorney has a website you can visit for more details. Once you've narrowed your list, you'll want to contact each candidate to arrange a phone or an office consultation. Most attorneys will provide a free consultation for you to ask questions about the types of cases the attorney has handled, but not provide you with legal advice or a case evaluation per se. You'll have the opportunity to explain your case so the attorney can decide if you have a case. A trustworthy attorney will have no issue sharing the approximate number of auto accident victims they have represented and the percentage of cases resulting in client compensation. You might also want to consider looking into past clients. There are many independent review sites that feature testimonials and can help you narrow down your choices. Consider a firm that specializes in auto accidents. Firms with legal teams that specialize in auto accidents typically have more resources to devote to your case than an attorney in a solo practice. Firms often have one or more investigators with experience interpreting police reports to better determine fault or negligence. Something like distracted driving or extenuating circumstances at the accident scene might have contributed to the crash, which may strengthen your case but not be discovered without the right resources. Sometimes the fault might lie with more than just the other driver. Collectively, a firm's attorneys may also have more experience with insurance companies than a solo attorney. Finding a firm that has already fought against the insurers you're facing can only help your case. Just make sure the firm is not so big that you feel your case won't get the attention it needs. Ask friends and family. Unfortunately, auto collisions, even ones that result in injury, are too common. You likely know someone who has had to hire a car